Hello students, now we are going to solve one CFPQ questions, that is competency focused practice question from chapter 7 coordinate geometry class 10. The question is, for a triangle the coordinates of the orthocenter and the circumcenter are -4, 8 and half, 1 respectively. Find the coordinates of the centroid of a triangle if the centroid divides the distance from the orthocenter to the circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. Show your steps. Don't get panic by seeing this word orthocenter, circumcenter, because it is not given in a textbook, but it is easy only. Clear explanation of this orthocenter, circumcenter and centroid I have given in my one of the short videos. I'll give the link in the description. Kindly go through that. Now I'll tell you what is this orthocenter. This orthocenter means it is a point of intersection of altitudes of a triangle. That means one triangle will be there. From all three vertices of triangle A, B, C will draw a altitude. That intersection of the altitude, it is called orthocenter. Usually we will denote using the letter H. Point of intersection of altitude is orthocenter. What is the circumcenter? Circumcenter means same. Inside a circle, triangle is inscribed and it is the point of intersection of perpendicular bisector of the sides of a triangle. These all the sides of a triangle are cut into equal parts, and here we will get one point that is called O. This is called circumcenter. Usually we will denote with the letter O. And what is this centroid? Centroid is the point of intersection of median of a triangle. What is this median? A line segment drawn from one vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So this point is called the centroid. Usually we will denote using the letter G. All three are not same. Here in our question, they said find the coordinates of the centroid of a triangle. If the centroid divides the distance. Centroid divides the distance from orthocenter to circumcenter. Let us draw one line segment. Okay, here centroid G divides the orthocenter. Centroid divides the distance from orthocenter to circumcenter. Distance from orthocenter is H, circumcenter is O. Distance from orthocenter to circumcenter is divided with the centroid G in the ratio 2:1. This is the ratio 2:1. We know that a line segment is divided with the point P in the ratio m1:m2. For this we will use a section formula. m1 and m2 are the ratios. H they given, that is orthocenter. This is orthocenter, this is circumcenter, because respectively word is given here. Okay, respectively means you should not change the order. First one is for orthocenter, circumcenter is for second. Orthocenter, but coordinates they given -4, 8. -4, 8 and circumcenter is 1/2, 1. Let us take -4 as x1 and 8 as y1 and orthocenter x2, y2 and centroid as x, y. So here the section is 2:1. Let us use section formula. We know what is section formula. One point divides the line segment in the ratio m1:m2. So here middle point is, that is the point that divides h and o is g of x comma y. So we should write g of x comma y in the left side, and here we should apply the section formula x2 m1 plus x1 section formula g of x comma y is equal to x2 m1 plus x1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 comma, this is x coordinate. Next y coordinate, y2 m1 plus y1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2. This is a section formula. Everyone has to learn that formulas properly. So that it will be easy to solve the sums. Okay, let us substitute the coordinate value in the formula. We should find g of x comma y. Substitute the value of all the given things. x2 is 1 by 2 and m1 is 2 plus x1 is minus 4, m2 is 1. x1 is minus 4, m2 is 1. Always protect the negative numbers inside the bracket so that you will be in safe position. Minus 4 into 1 divided by 1 is to 1, 2 plus 1. Next to y coordinate value, y2 1 into 2 plus y1 is 8 into 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Here you can cancel this 2 in the denominator and numerator. Cancel that. So you will get 1, and here minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 into plus is minus 4 divided by 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 in the denominator. Same here, 1, 2 plus 8. Next is minus 3 by 3 comma 10 by 3. So your centroid g of x comma y is minus 1 comma 10 by 3. This gives our centroid of triangle. Yes. If you need any topics particularly, just comment. I'll post soon. And for the concept of orthocenter, circumcenter and centroid, I'll give you the description link. Just subscribe the channel. Thank you.